Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about method overriding concept in Java. In our last classes, we clearly discussed about inheritance concept. Please watch that class and come back here. In this class, we are going to understand how the execution and what is method overriding concept, and we are going to give some intuition about the execution. So these concepts we are going to use in our next classes. So this execution level of understanding is very important here. Now class A, int p and void m1 of. In this class A we are having an instance variable and a method m1. Let's take a class B, extends A, means it is going to inherit class A. In this class we are having an instance variable q and we are having a method m1. So both classes, class A and class B, are having the same method names and signatures. This we call it as method overriding. Yes, this is allowed in Java. Method overriding is allowed in Java. Now coming to the programming point of view, programmer's point of view, you need to understand few points. And the solutions for that will be discussed in our next class. So the point you need to understand, let's take one more method in this class. Class B, let's take void m2 of. In this m2 method, suppose as a programmer in your logic, suppose you are assume that you are applying some logic. In your logic, you need to access the method m1 from class A. Means you need to use this method. How you are going to call the method that present in class A? This point you need to understand. Solution, how we are going to call this, the method that present in above class, we are going to discuss in our next class. If you understand the point here, next class is very easy. And one more important point you need to understand from method overriding concept. Suppose the execution level. This point based on the execution order. Class test public static void main of string arguments of. So here B, we are creating an object for class B. B ob is equal to new B of. We created an object for B class B, and ob.m1 of. So we are calling the method m1 from object ob. So which m1 it is going to call? So the execution goes like this. First, the object belongs to class B. It is going to check the methods that present here in class B. If it founds the method, it will call that method. If it is not, if the method is not found, then it is going to class A, above class, and it is going to check the methods that present here. So from this this is how execution goes. From this execution point of view, what's the output that we are going to get? ob.m1 means which method it is going to be executed? The m1 present in class B is going to be executed. And if it executed, System.out.println of class B. Our output is class B. This is how execution goes if you are having the concept of method overriding. If you understand these 2 points, coming classes is very easy, and understanding the concepts of object-oriented programming is also easy. This level of understanding is must needed. Hope you understand the concept of method overriding. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.